Hello, we're Team 18 and our project is called Firefly 2. Firefly 2 is a web application that is used for data visualizations, gathers health and lifestyle data analytics from several various sources such as the medical documents and the Fitbit, which is a health-oriented smartwatch. The main problem that our web app addresses is that health data is always stored in different formats in health organizations, and this makes it significantly harder to show the data to the organizations. Our solution consists of developing a Fire-based user-centered health dashboard that can show all of the user's health and lifestyle data as visualizations using his Fitbit watch. As you can see, when you land on the Firefly page, you can either be a corporate user or an individual user. And we'll go to individual user for now. And then you go, if you don't have already an account, you go to sign up, put in your name. You input your credentials and then you get an account. It automatically signs you in. Let's check in the sign-in functionality for now. Works. Okay. As you can see, the graphs aren't yet populated with data. That's why you go to the Fitbit button here, which then takes you to the Fitbit website to log in with your email and password. Typically, it would ask you whether you allow access to your data, but for now, since we already done that, it automatically knows you allow the access of your data. As you can see, the graphs got populated with data. These are the weekly steps. And this is the weight, this is the heart. Other features include the goal system, adding goals such as losing weight. You choose the data type and the color of the visualization that you would like, and every week, fortnight, or month, save changes, add the goal, and then it gets updated onto your dashboard. And you can also add many other kinds of goals using those options. Other key feature includes associating your account with a corporate user or a corporate domain, for example, ucl.com. And now corporate users are able to be linked to your account. You log out. Let's check the corporate sign in. When you sign up, it asks you for an email, a password, a company name such as UCL, company domain as well. And it automatically logs you in. And as you know, when you go to settings, you can see the associated accounts with your company domain. And also, finally, our last key feature is logging in through your URI or web identity, which is basically username.firefly.com. It takes you to the member login, which you enter the password, which then takes you to your own personalized dashboard, and this provides you with an online identity that can be used later to make the web app completely decentralized, giving users the true ownership of their data. More details on our solution include: our system is built on JavaScript using the MERN stack, which is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. Our Node server sends HTTP requests to the Fitbit server requesting the user's data, and when the data is sent back, it's converted to the Fire format and stored in the MongoDB through a custom-made schema that was developed in accordance to the Fire regulations. The data is then passed into a custom-made data parser that we developed to make it ready for creating the visualizations. We chose the MERN stack as version 1 of this project was using it. However, we did modify the structure of some of the parts to make them more efficient. We have also implemented the Web ID system as part of a bigger goal for the project, which is to make the web app decentralized. More on our technologies. For the front end, we used React for its powerful user interface and reusable components, along with Redux to improve the extensibility and scalability of the project. For the front end, we used the famous duo of Node.js and Express.js, along with the Fitbit Node library for making HTTP requests to the Fitbit server. For database management, we used MongoDB, and we have also implemented our custom-made DNS system that allows every user to have his own web ID, access their accounts through the URIs and their passwords. Finally, we use Mocha.js and Jai.js for testing purposes. Our achievements are basically two main points. The first one is concerned with the Fitbit data. Major parts of that include authenticating the Fitbit users, and asking them for consent to use their data, making the requests to the Fitbit server and get their data, converting it to the FAR format and storing it in the database, implementing HTTPS and creating a custom-made parser for the data to get it ready for creating the visualizations. Also creating 3 main visualizations, one for weight, one for heart intervals, and one for steps. The second point is concerned with creating a custom-made DNS system that allows users to have their own web ID. That was a very crucial point for our client, as it will be later improved and modified to make every user's data decentralized, and this will provide them with their true ownership and their data